These illusion images are going viral on the internet, where you can turn your simple images into these optical illusion images, and you can create this with stable diffusion for completely free by using Hugging Face app. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First of all, go to Google search and search for Hugging Face, and now select the first link. So if you don't know about the Hugging Face, this is the cloud service where people upload their projects, and you guys can access these models for completely free. Now click on the search section, and in the search you can search for the different spaces. So I'm going to search for the Illusion Diffusion. And here you can see a lot of Illusion Diffusion spaces, but most of them are not working anymore. So the most famous space that everybody is using for this Illusion Diffusion model is this AP123 and P and GWN space, right? So click on this second space. So this one works exactly the same, where you can upload your image and you have the controls for the edition strength. And here we have some sample images, and next we have the space to enter the prompt, and next we have the space to enter the negative prompt. So the negative prompt is where you can enter the things that you don't want in your output image. And we also have some advanced settings where you can see the start of control net and control net strength of upscaler. But we're not going to change these settings because the only thing that you need to know here is the illusion strength. So if you want more impact on your image, you can use the high values, and if you want the less impact on your image, you can use the lower illusion strength values. So let me show you with an example. So let's say I am going to upload this image and I'm going to keep the illusion strength values around 2%. And in the prompt section, I'm going to type landscape of a forest, bright sky, vibrant colors. And let's run this, and you can see it instantly starts generating the image. Yes, it does take some time, but we don't have to wait for the long queue times as we face in the AP123 space. Let's try with one more image. So let's say I'm going to upload this image, and I'm going to keep the strength values around 1%. And in the prompt section, I'm going to type landscape of a forest, bright sky, vibrant colors, and let's run this, and you can see it instantly starts generating the image. Yes, it does take some time, but we don't have to wait for the long queue times. And this is not just limited to your images or logos. You can even use the text, and we're also going to try the text prompt. So this time I'm going to use different prompt, and let's try an ocean. So these are the output results, and it generated a private island in the ocean only for our text. This is really cool. So that's how you guys can make these kind of illusion images for completely free. So you can use this Hugging Face space. I will leave the link in the description below. So that's it from this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe for more such content. See you in the next video.